Up YouTubers, it's your boy KJV back again, and I'm at work. Today we got in all the screens, and I've already replaced like 10 or more Chromebook screens. So I'm gonna make this video right quick and show you how I replace a screen, and how it's pretty easy for you to also do it too. So just sit back and watch, because you may need to do this one day. And it's at a good view. So what we'll do here is open up your screen, make sure you got power. As you can see, the screen is bad. Power it off. Got two tips here, one flat, because we got like a little plug here that covers up the screws here. Just try to pop that out. I ain't got those young eyes no more, so it's kind of hard for me to see if I can get it. First time is usually pretty cool. Don't usually take this long, but you know how it goes when you make a video. Always something. See that little sticky? And I usually keep everything together right here. Keep those screws because they got a little adhesive on them. I keep them with them. I put them back in the same spot. Like all the screws are the same. Like I said, they are up under this adhesive, so I try to keep them in the same spot. That's the hardest part, is getting the little sticky tab off. Now you see what I'm talking about. One screw. Two screws. These have some little tabs inside. You have to make sure you pop them out. Try not to break them, so I'm used to doing it. Pop across the bottom. There you go. You got 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4 on your monitor. Pop those off. Should have already had the screen over here ready. That's that. You see the little cable here? Gotta make sure you get that tape up. Take your time with it, because you don't want to, you gotta lift up. There's a little bracket on there you want to lift up so you can pop out the cable. Easy. Screen out. If I had the screen over here, it'd be ready, because you know it don't take long at all. New screen. Connect the cable. Test it before you screw it down. Voila. Good to go. Set it back in. Correctly. Everything lines up. Told you, fast, easy. Laptops go about the same way too. But you just gotta be used to doing stuff like this. Been doing this stuff for years. Chromebook stuff are new to me. It's new to me because I don't mess with a lot of stuff like it. Like I said, it's easy. It used to be a lot faster because the eyes done got old because I'm an old man. Screw right there. Like I said, it don't take long at all. It's just me fumbling around. Oh man. No, it probably take somebody else. It could take them an hour to do something, but 5-10 minutes tops. Take out the screen protector. I just take it out right here because it covers up that last screw hole. Like I say, the only reason it's taking so long, them eyes. If I still had them young eyes, I'd have been done. You see how quick it was to take it off. Just gotta get that screw up in there. That's it. Pop the monitor bezel back on. You just have to pop them in. Make sure it's popped in good all around. Take your other last 2 screws. Oh, see what I'm saying? It's just me. A little glue in the way. Just a little quick how-to video to replace a broken screen on a Chromebook. And we do this because, you know, it's a school. So, and like all you gotta do now is those little black tabs to cover up this screws. Lay them back in the spot. Voila, there you have it. New screen, replace, in about 5 to 10 minutes. I think it's about 8 minutes or 9 minutes going on, but you see I fumbled with those screws. But it's your boy KJV just showing you some of the stuff I do when I'm doing my IT stuff. So until next time, peace, love, and hair grease. That boy is good. Good.
Hey everybody, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with the Fitz-Live 5 and my husband's beats.